Hi, this is Katina, and in this video I'm going to show you how to play Yankee Doodle. This song has a great story behind it, actually, from the Revolutionary War in America. So if you want to look up Yankee Doodle and Marquis de Lafayette, there's a great story behind that. So we're going to start down here on C. So you have C, C, so your thumb is covering in the back. 1, 2, 3. C, C, D, E, drop back to the C, E, D. Back to the C, 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 D, E, C, and then B natural right here. So it's your second finger down. Back to the C, C, D, E, F, and back down E, D, C. And from the other side, it looks like this. Drop to that B natural again. G, A, B, C, C. Now, for the second stanza, you're going to be down in your right hand, most of it. So you have A, B, A, G, A, B, C. And then you're going to do G, A, G, and this is F, right there. So it's your top row, very bottom one here, F, and then this is your E, okay? So in your left hand, it's the furthest one away. E, and then lift up for the G. I'll play that all through for you. So no pinkies for the G. And then back to that A, B, A, G, A, B, C. And then you have A, G, C, B, D, C, C. So I'll play that straight through for you so you can see the fingers for that one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And that's how it should go.